Support preferences, external. Alright, so we're going to look at these three external options. Right, here they are in NetSuite under this external tab. External case from redirect URL. Enter the URL you want customers redirected to after they submit a case through your external case form in the customer center. So I've put my website homepage, Integrisuite.com. Then default customer center form, you'll notice there's nothing in there. Select the online case form you want to link in your customer center. Leave this field empty to use the default external case form. So happy to do that. Your customers access this form when they click contact support in the customer center. And then the last one here, create new lead on no match. Check this box if you want to create a new lead record when information on a case submitted through the external case form does not match any existing records. External case forms are used in a customer center when you do not select an online case form in the default customer center case form field. Right, so I've ticked that, so then when I receive any cases that does not match with my customers, a new lead will be created, and that lead will sit here under leads.